The top 3 juicers of 2022/2023. Juicing has become a popular trend among health-conscious individuals. The demand for juicers has skyrocketed in recent years, leading to a wide range of options available in the market. With so many choices, it can be challenging to select the right juicer that fits your needs and budget. In this detailed video, we will compare the top 3 juicers of 2022 to 2023 and help you make an informed decision. 1. Omega J8006HDS Nutrition Center Juicer. The Omega J8006HDS Juicer is a masticating style juicer that operates at a low speed of 80 rpm to preserve the nutrients and enzymes in the juice. It has a dual-stage juicing system that extracts the maximum amount of juice from fruits and vegetables, leaving dry pulp behind. The juicer comes with a quiet motor, making it easy to use in the early morning or late at night without disturbing others. Pros: slow speed preserves nutrients and enzymes. Dual-stage juicing system for maximum juice extraction. Quiet operation. 15-year warranty. Cons: relatively slow compared to other juicers. Can be difficult to clean, but worth it. 2. Breville BJE430SIL. The Breville BJE430SIL is a centrifugal juicer that operates at high speed, 13,000 rpm, for quick and efficient juicing. It has a large feed chute that accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing the time and effort required for preparation. The juicer comes with a cold spin technology that keeps the juice cold and prevents oxidation, ensuring that the juice stays fresh for longer. Pros: fast and efficient juicing. Large feed chute reduces preparation time. Cold spin technology keeps juice cold and prevents oxidation. Easy to clean. Cons: high speed can damage delicate nutrients and enzymes. Noisy operation. 3. Hurom H-AA Slow Juicer. The Hurom H-AA Slow Juicer is another masticating style juicer that operates at a slow speed of 43 rpm. It has a unique design that allows for vertical juicing, making it easy to juice tall fruits and vegetables. The juicer comes with a fine strainer that removes pulp, creating a smooth and silky juice. It also has a built-in handle that makes it easy to store when not in use. Pros: slow speed preserves nutrients and enzymes. Unique vertical design makes it easy to juice tall fruits and vegetables. Fine strainer creates smooth and silky juice. Built-in handle for easy storage. Cons: relatively slow compared to other juicers. Can be difficult to clean but also worth it. All 3 juicers have their pros and cons, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a fast and efficient juicer, the Breville BJE430SIL is a great option. If you're looking for a juicer that preserves the nutrients and enzymes in your juice, the Omega J8006HDS Nutrition Center Juicer or the Hurom H-AA Slow Juicer may be the way to go. Regardless of which juicer you choose, incorporating fresh juice into your diet can help you maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Click on the links below to purchase any of the top 3 juicers, and let's get busy getting healthier one day at a time.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for weekly health and wellness videos.